Hello, welcome to this update. There is a moderate risk of severe weather today in parts of northern Texas, Oklahoma, and southern Kansas. So let's see. Numerous severe thunderstorms are likely today and tonight across the southern central plains into the lower to mid Missouri Valley. The greatest potential for severe storms will be from North Texas into Oklahoma and southeast Kansas, where strong tornadoes with very large hail over 2 inches in diameter and widespread damaging winds, some over 70 miles per hour, are expected to occur. A broad area of severe weather threat will extend from south central Texas northeastward into the Great Lakes. Tornado outbreak expected today from northern Texas into Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, and far southwest Missouri. So, you all heard that. This is really concerning. And you saw what happened yesterday in Iowa and Nebraska. So the tornadoes can appear suddenly and they can be very dangerous and cause a lot of damage. So everyone needs to be super weather aware today and have a shelter, have a plan. So because this threat here is greater than yesterday's threat, and you all saw what happened yesterday. So please be weather aware today, and if you know anyone in those areas, please tell them. So let's see the probabilities. Damaging wind is 30% hatched in those areas there, and a 15% all the way to the Great Lakes. Hail is by far the biggest, with 30% and 45% hatched, and a 15% hatched and another 15% not hatched all the way to the Great Lakes. And tornado is 15% and 10% hatched in those areas, 5% around and a 2% all the way to Michigan and all the way to southern Texas too. So this is really concerning. Please get the word out. So excessive rainfall outlook. Let's see. So Saturday, today it's a slight there, parts of Arkansas, Texas, and Missouri, and there's a marginal all the way to southern Minnesota, and there's a moderate risk of excessive rainfall. Wait, I think day 1 was yesterday or something, so day 2 is April 27th through 12th, Sunday, April 28th. Oh, okay, so this day 2 is today. It's the Saturday. So there's a moderate risk of severe weather today. No, severe weather, no. This is excessive rainfall. So 2 moderate risks: excessive rainfall and severe weather. So in parts of Oklahoma, northern Texas, southeast Kansas, southwestern Missouri. So risk of rainfall exceeding flash flood guidance within 25 miles of a point. So please be aware of heavy rain and some flash flooding in those areas too. Then there's a slight and there's a marginal that goes from Texas to Colorado to Wisconsin. So day 3 is a slight there in the Texas, Arkansas, Missouri, Louisiana, and Oklahoma. Day 4 is also a slight in the Mid-South, and day 5 there's 2 marginal risks there. So, yes, let's check some stuff here. First, dew points. So, let's see. Wait, so they'll be in the mid-60s there in Oklahoma and Texas, and even in northern Texas, like in Dallas, they'll be like 70, 71 dew points. So very high dew points, very good for severe weather. And so, and it even shows some A is showing up in Texas there before the cold air comes in from the cold front. But this will probably be later on, but there will be definitely some 70s there in Texas. It shows 77. Wait, no, this is Monday. Okay, so it shows 71 there. And Saturday, April 27th, in like afternoon or something, it shows like 82 in Dallas, 86 dew points in other areas there. So that's definitely high. So let's see some wind gusts here. I don't think this is the right graphic, but let's see. So you can see a lot of strong wind gusts within all of this area of severe weather. Let's see if I can find Cape here. So yes, I found it. So you can see like Saturday 27th, like afternoon and evening, huge amounts of Cape in Oklahoma and Texas, 3,000 joules per kilogram. Southern Texas almost to 4,000, but the main area there would be like 3,000. So huge amounts of Cape there. This will be insane today. So please get the word out. So let's see here. Some models. Let's see with the Euro first here. Just see the areas there. So wait, I'm trying to get this to work. So you can see here the storms popping there in Oklahoma and Texas and other areas, and then the low comes in and more storms there in Texas and in Oklahoma. So, but then the main event comes here. It shows the low pressure there and a line of storms in Oklahoma and Texas, southeastern Kansas, and even some snow in Nebraska there from this, some storms further north too. So, and then the low continues going, more storms in Kansas and Oklahoma. Let's see. And then it keeps going and the things move east there. So I don't know if this was a good model to represent what's going to happen. So let's see what else I can find. So let's see the GFS here in this thing. So you can see today the storms popping there, and then a big line comes, all the storms there move east. So wait, that was yesterday I think. So now this is today, the 994 low there, some snow in Colorado, and the big storms popping Texas and Oklahoma, and then more storms tomorrow in the mid-south in many areas, heavy rain too. The low moves into Canada, brings some rain, snow and ice there. It even shows by May 2nd another storm there in the plains. That system into Canada, May 5, with some rain into the northeast too. By May 8th, another system in the plains there. Yeah, but that's far out. Let's focus on this, on this event today there. Let's see this other Cape map here. This shows the wind too. So you can see a lot of Cape there in Oklahoma and Texas, southeast Kansas and other areas. Okay, so I found this with the GFS here for today, I think. So you can see the line of storms there, Texas and Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas and other areas. So you get the idea of what's going to happen. So please get the word out. This is really intense. really concerning. Please get the word out. So let's see, tomorrow there's a slight risk for Sunday. Tornadoes 5%, wind and wind 15%, hail 15%. So this is tomorrow. Strong to potentially severe thunderstorms will be possible Sunday from northeast Texas into parts of the upper Mississippi Valley. Damaging winds, hail, and a few tornadoes will all be possible. Yes, so be aware tomorrow too. And day 3 for Monday is just a marginal in southern Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and southeast Arkansas. And a 5% probabilistic. So this is it, I think. It's really crazy. So let's see the fire outlook. There's a critical fire outlook parts of West Texas, Western Oklahoma, New Mexico, Southwest Kansas, and other areas there. So be aware of wildfires too. So, and check my community posts to see the images of the tornadoes yesterday in Iowa and Nebraska there. Check the community posts. And stay safe. Thanks for watching.